What was that experience like as a child going to some of those shows?
I remember one play with Ludwig Satz where the theme revolved around hiding a child from um, Tsarist inspectors who were going around seeing if the child was being hidden so they wouldn't have to be conscripted into the Tsarist army. And a child was hidden in a blanket box or something. And I think they put something over his mouth or something. And when they opened the box, the child had suffocated. And the cries, I mean, it was very, very tragic. And I remember that affected me deeply.